Yeah. Hello, hello. Can everyone hear me? Hello, hello. Perfect. Yeah. How everyone's going today? Perfect. Yeah. Oh, yes, I can. Yeah, this is something like I really want to learn in the same time. So yes, this is something I can think about that, Julian. It's just like I'm pretty new in programming, and so I just try to improve the skill I have right now, and after that I'm gonna jump on other stuff. So this project I just gonna build there. It's just a project I've built in the past. So if you have seen like my movie Tinder application, I've built it with React Native. I just want to take this ID and just make my kind of own social media about movie and TV show recommendation, like to find and movie stuff like that. Nothing crazy, but it's just a funny idea I got. Uh, oh, thank you. Yeah, it's that was just something like I got as an idea in a weekend. I just like build the project really quick, and I just want to share what I've learned in this weekend. So this is almost like always what I do. It's I just play with some technology, and when I learn something, then I would like someone to teach me before. I just try to give it. Like example, right now I'm trying to do a video about a full authentication because I know I didn't find this kind of tutorial before. Like what I mean, it's like having password reset, having how to do like a two-way authentication and stuff like that, like sending SMS to authentication, plus the password reset, how to send email after you have been create a user and stuff like that, plus how to send notification in React Native. And yeah. So right now I just really just do the basic setup. Oh, it's I mean, you mean like the comment I just I remember that it just because I've set up a lot of little project and just I know I have like a kind of a good memory, but this is this is not that crazy, and I have a lot of for React, I have a lot of snippet I've created. Like if you type React, I think I'm right there, and this is my snippet stuff I've created. So this is just because I just remember this kind of stuff. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just set up like I've done with the Twitter clone. I'm gonna just set up Webpack pretty quick. Maybe not Webpack, but Babel at least. And I'm gonna just copy paste one Babel or see this. Oops, like that. And what I need is yarn add -d Babel CLI Babel preset and mon all in dev dependency. After that, I'm gonna need to my object rest spread because I want to use the spread. Perfect. So now I can just set up my script. Put that here. Really? I put that. Oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna be good. And now I'm gonna just set up the app just quick and see if it's gonna work. Okay. So what I've missed, cross env dev, find preset env relative to. Oh, true. Yeah, well, I can't have done this. I don't know why I've done this. Which one I've installed? Oh, thank you. I think I have done a miss. Sorry. So yarn add dash. Sorry, thank you. It's a good thing I was live streaming. So now I can just remove this one and this one. Yeah, and now I think that's why I get this error. Yeah. Thank you, Daniel. You just saved me. Perfect. So now this is what I'm gonna do. So yeah, so my app finally, all my app gonna work. It's gonna be, I mean, I've started to just set up the business logic. So what I want to do, it's first thing the app's gonna be like about everything about like movie and TV show. Like I'm really addict about watching movie and always watching TV show. Like example, Game of Thrones you just finished and stuff like that. And I was always, me and my girlfriend, we are always like looking for new movie and new TV show, and we never really find something like good. So like, I mean, we want to always watch new movie, but we never know which one to watch. So I'm just thinking about like just creating like a small little social media where, example, you have some, you follow some people who like the kind of movie you like, and you just get an idea about what they have watched in the past like day and something like that inside your feed, and you see like the rating and the review and stuff like that. So just to give you an idea, plus I'm gonna have my swiping left and right like Tinder for you to get the so the term about like getting a movie you're gonna like and stuff like this. And I'm gonna keep track of what the user have like and etc., and give him which TV show he can watch in the future. And the thing crazy, just I want to learn much more about building a social media. Yeah, so I just check. So what I think I'm gonna do first, I think I'm gonna jump on the mobile side first. Yeah, I think the mobile play is gonna be better. I'm more of a front-end guys, and I think I'm gonna go there. And for this kind of app, I think, should I go with Expo? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Expo. It's gonna be easier. Oh yeah, I don't need, like, this is the kind of question you need to ask yourself if you're gonna work with Expo or React Native only. It's, do my app gonna need a good amount of native library? And from what I think, I can go with, no, I think I'm gonna just go with plain React Native. Yep. React Native init. Oh, Expo give you a good amount, a good access of library you can use, and yeah, it's React Native. You can just plug all the native library, and Expo you cannot. If you want to do this, you need to eject. Expo, it's awesome. I mean, it's just because here I want to maybe plug like Microsoft Code Push and things like that. Just check if yeah, I think I'm gonna go with yeah, this is what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna play with the mobile side. I'm gonna need to open my simulator. Oh. I'm gonna go with iPhone 7. Yeah, I'm gonna use GraphQL. Hey, Thorsten, yeah, progressive web app should have been a good idea. I never really built this thing. Something and check it. Just right now, I do so much mobile, then I think I'm gonna just keep it there if I want to finish my project, like before the end of the year. I want to that's gonna be my own first, like my not client stuff, but my own real app. I'm gonna push to the App Store because all the app I've built was for client, and I don't have my name of on one of my app I've built. So yeah, maybe. Wow, this compilation is really slow. Finally, succeed. Perfect. I think I'm gonna run that on. Yeah. Uh, Oops, I make a mistake. Perfect. So just for seeing that work, it worked. Perfect. So now this thing is set up. After that, what I'm gonna set up to, it's I think I have my flow config. Yeah, I have the flow config. So now I can just say, so I'm gonna set up flow and ESLint. Okay, I know what happened now. I'm not inside the right directory. Perfect. Hey Cody, how are you? Hey Julian. What is all that? Mobile. Really? Okay, so CD mobile. Okay, I know what I pen. Yeah, I know what happened. Okay. So I'm gonna move my mobile, find me a movie to mobile. Move. Yeah, so move. So how can I do this? I think I need to. Hmm. Perfect. Should be good now. So I have that, I have this. I was just crazy because I have too much file. Now I think that looks like this. Yeah, because my Git would have been really big right now. So this is the thing when you get with many folder inside your root like that. So now I'm gonna go there. Perfect. Git S. No. Uh, Perfect. Gonna start to work. So when you use flow, you should check. So they use 4901. 4991. So I'm gonna add flow bin. So now because of this, I can set up flow. So I can say flow type install. So that's gonna create a folder flow type where I'm gonna have all my flow stuff. So all the library I've used. Oh, thank you, Julian. I didn't check it. Oh, nice, Cody. Perfect. So now I've set up this. This is set up. App.js is set up. Perfect. So we're gonna play with some design. I like more the new Xcode simulator. You can make it like the size you want. Now, yeah, I cannot. So what I'm gonna do? So I'm gonna design that. So I'm gonna open Apple device. I'm gonna open an iPhone 7. So how do I'm gonna make it? For sure, the thing I'm gonna want to have a header here where I'm gonna have this one. So I'm gonna have a headers. And I'm gonna have right there the search for sure. After that, what I want, it's a card gonna take like this, where I'm gonna add my friend. Can say fill, but I'm gonna just fill with really less opacity like that. So I'm gonna have a card. A card. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have another card. 15 is a good size. And now my iPhone 7, I can push it down. So what I want is after you look at 2 card, like I type it here, 3 card, I want to show an horizontal scroll view. But from what I've seen right now, 1 card is too big. So I think it's better if I put it. I think like 250 would be great. And I'm gonna just remove this one to redo Command D, 15. And another one, 15. So this one, 15. And now right there, I want to create my horizontal scroll view. Yeah, so here I can type recommendation. And I think I'm gonna maybe make use of the new. No, I'm gonna use material design. I'm gonna use like maybe the new kind of UI design of Apple they got. I think inside my sketch I have not yet. One sec. iOS 11 sketch. I think I can get some design kit. Yeah, perfect. This is what I want. You're gonna see inside a moment. One sec. So if you go to this website, I'm gonna send you. Yeah, that's the thing. Sketch, it's only on Mac, but you can use like Photoshop or something like that if you want. I'm so Mac heavy, so sorry. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get. So that's gonna just give me some basic component. So what I maybe want, I want my car to look like the new App Store. So if you have the new iOS 11, it just looks really awesome. For me, I like it. It's like the material design for Apple. And they all use Helvetica. So yeah, so this is the design they give me. And as you can see, this is all they do, their cards. So what do you think about that? Windows, I think people, it's, I know Adobe XD, I think. Adobe XD. But as you can see here, what do you think about this kind of card? I pretty like it. I don't know why, but... So this is the new design they have built. But as you can see, the card... Yeah. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do to Android phone, I'm gonna surely let yeah, that's a good thing. I'm maybe what I'm gonna do with the yeah, I'm thinking about that. Like you see, like I'm building in same time. What I think it's if I get to yeah, it's well, I mean, I just want to get the size of this thing, and so the size of this 235 by 420 412. So finally, they don't take the full space. So here my card. So what they say? 235 412. So this is the size they give. So this is one of the card they have put. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna go there, and when I'm gonna do this for the Android part, I'm gonna just change this card to make it much more material. And I think that's gonna be like, so it's easy in React Native. When you have a file, so I don't know if you know that, guys, but like when you use, like example, I have my app.js here. We're gonna work for both, but you can say example card.ios.js, and that's only gonna work on iOS, and I can do the same for Android. So that's gonna just be awesome if I can do this too. So I'm gonna just focus on the iOS part, and after that I'm gonna jump on the Android. So I just want to get some basic. I'm not a designer at all, so I just try to get the most I can. So the background, I just want to get their shadow. So 0, 16. So they have shadow 0, 16, and 16. Too much, I think. Zero, 16, 16, and the color they have put 14. Like that. And now they have put a radius of 14. Radius. Okay, I know. I don't want to put the shadow on my card. I want to put the shadow on this. So here it's gonna be shadow 16, 0, 16, 16, and I put here 14. And they have a radius of 14. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's gonna be one card. So that's gonna be detail. I don't know how I'm gonna call that, like feed card. and I'm gonna just create my other kind of card right there for now. I'm gonna just take the same size they have. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm too lazy, why I cannot take, so this is a mask, so I'm gonna copy paste that here. So this thing right there, it's their other cars. Okay, here I think I'm done gonna have border. Yeah, I think I can maybe like it. Fill. Yeah. And now the only thing I want is this text. So they put it as a symbol. So I'm gonna just, no, they don't put it as a symbol. What they put? Title tree. Okay. Oh. So they use SF Pro. Yeah, but I think I can go with Elvita. Yeah. I don't have SF Pro. I think. San Francisco. No. So SF Pro font. One sec. So when you want to, I just type SS. Yeah, I just want to download the font. So I download the font, and now I can just open it. Click on the package. Click continue. It's done. So now I should be able to have, yeah. Perfect. So now I have the same font. I mean, I just want to build that really quick, so I just want to get some idea about. So it's 22, 34. Like that. 34. Oh, 34 is too big. Oops. Is it 22? Perfect. Their color is black. They use 41 from the spacing. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. After that I can close this one, so they use almost the same, and after that I can manage my stuff, and yeah, perfect. So what I'm gonna do, so this color is too much, I'm gonna just put some kind of, yeah. So I'm gonna have another card. My iPhone 7. Okay, so if I put two cards, this is not really what I want. So I think I'm gonna put the recommendation before the second card. Yeah, like that. So what I'm gonna do, 20, yeah, 20 and 10 from the top. This one can go up one time. Oh, like that. Go at the middle of this thing like that. After that, this one can have 35. Yeah. After that, this one I'm gonna just go here a bit. So now here I can I don't remember how I put ruler, show layout, ruler, yeah. I'm gonna just put a line here. $35 and 10. Okay. Yeah, the thing it's maybe not this one. So this one I'm at 20. So if I say 10, yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna just have a second one, and the second one's gonna be right there. Yeah, so just I want to get that just to get an idea about. Yeah, this thing, and now this one. After that, I can manage it and put that. Yeah, 25. Yeah, perfect. So this is what I'm gonna build right now. Just some square for now, at least getting the basic design. But I think if I do this, I'm gonna put my feet right there and my recommendation like that. Yep. What do you think about that? I think that's gonna be what I'm gonna do. Here, just for now, I can maybe put, yeah, what I'm gonna put, that's gonna be my nav bar. I think 55 is a good size. And what I'm gonna say, it's maybe, I don't know, like just a blank, but what I can do is I'm gonna just add an icon, a simple line icon, and I'm gonna just say search. No? Which one I have? Ionicon, yeah. Search. And I'm gonna use this one. So Ion search, where are you? Search. I don't see it. I'm supposed to have somewhere an icon search. Where are you? I think it just don't show. What the? And did I lose? Where is the icon? Mask copy. I don't want to have a mask copy. And what in your underlying mask? I mean, why it's a mask? Oh, oh. Okay, mask copy. Ori card. So now I can delete this one and this one. Oh my god, that was because I copy and pasting, yeah. And now I can add my Ionicon search. Now it must be somewhere. Nope. but I know what I'm gonna do, so not a big deal. Perfect. So I need to do this. So what I'm gonna do, perfect. So I don't gonna plug the router and everything. Yeah, this is what I think. It's the icon, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just code it, so that's gonna be pretty okay. So what I'm gonna do, it's so that's we're gonna need. I'm gonna use with the old school React, or yeah, I don't gonna use style component for this one. So, and I want, for now I'm gonna make use of scroll view just because they are much easy to install. That's it. I'm gonna say feed screen view text feed screen, and now I'm gonna go there just for now. Feed screen, perfect, is there. Perfect. So for now, the feed screen, what I'm gonna do, it's I'm gonna create my style. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just say my root, and I'm gonna just put a margin top of which size I've put, 55. And I'm gonna just put that on this style. And now I'm gonna put a background color red. Oh. Yeah, perfect. So now I have some margin from the top. Hello, hello, how are you? Like that. Yeah. So now after that, I'm gonna take a flex one. Yeah. Perfect. So now this is what I have. So now I need to create one card. So now I can remove the red. So here I can maybe say feeds. And what I'm gonna do, yeah. So now I'm gonna create one card. So that's gonna be a view. I'm gonna just do this like that for now. And I'm gonna say card. And I'm gonna put my style right on this one. And I'm gonna say a height of 412 and 2. Okay. So I'm gonna just build one card at a time. So I'm gonna just for now align item center, because it's we use a flex box, and align item center, gonna center that from the left to the right, but the thing it's gonna center everything, and this is maybe not what I want. So for now, just because I want to design it really quick, I'm gonna say align self, so you're gonna align himself in the center, so I don't gonna touch of this feed. So this one is there. After that, I'm gonna just put the margin what my sketch asks. So what I've put it's 11. So I'm gonna say 10 because I really hate. So I'm gonna say margin top of 10. So now I get this place here. After that, I think that was border radius equal to 14. So now I'm gonna run my corner, everything. Perfect. Now if I want to design the shadow. So I'm gonna show you how you can check the shadow. So it's 0, 16, 16. So 0, 16, 16. So I'm gonna just type it really quick. 0, 16, 16. So here, how we can manage that, I'm gonna say a light gray. Yep. So I'm gonna say shadow color. First thing I think that was black. Yeah, 0, 0, 0. So this is black. So this is what we want. So shadow color black. After that, we have an opacity, shadow opacity of 14. So this is the number I have right there. So this is RGBA, so this is the alpha. And after that, I'm gonna say shadow offset. We take an object with a width. I'm gonna say 0 from the width, but the height is gonna be, no, 0 from the height and 2 for the width, I think. Not 2, how much that was? 16. So 16. So if I do this and I refresh, oh shit, maybe no. No, that was not 16 for sure. Shadow opacity, oh, 0 0.14. And it's too dark. What I missed? Shadow color, shadow opacity, shadow radius. It's 0. I'm gonna see so. Okay, so how I'm gonna do? So it's not the width. It's too much. X and Y. How that work? X and Y. Oh yeah, so that was the height first thing. Okay, make more sense. I'll just take back this color. Fill was DBD8. And I put 45 opacity. Yeah, so this is not that helpful because I need 216, 216, 216, 45, 216. RGBA 216, 216, 216, 45. Perfect. Yeah, I think this is. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, it's when we live coding sometime it just. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Yep. Yep. So I have one card. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a component folder, and I'm gonna say on this folder I'm gonna create a feed card.js. This one for now is gonna be only like that with a view, and I'm gonna need style sheet, and I'm gonna say export default function feed card. We're gonna take nothing and gonna return a single view for now. Nothing crazy. And I'm gonna just take everything I have here. But now I'm gonna call that root. Like this. And then we're gonna check. So if I put two of them, yeah, so what I'm gonna do, it's for now, just for now, I'm gonna put a scroll view right there when I'm gonna put my card, and I'm gonna put like 3 of them. And yeah, so that's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna do, so here I think that's gonna need to be a section list, because if I want to have this kind of section, so because if I look at this, I'm gonna have a list view, and here you have another list who go inside that. Oh, because I use function like that, because this is what Airbnb has to do. So like if you watch Airbnb, this thing, if you go to this file, you're gonna get like all the setup of Airbnb, and I just follow their pattern. Hey Rust. Yeah, it's I think this in their docs is just better for but I mean, for me, I just think it looked just better doing this. It just myself, I mean, it just but I'm sure the arrow function don't have any problem with that. No, I really don't. So React Native uh, scroll view horizontal. Hey, yeah, I'm just playing with some code. I'm just building a little project for myself. Oh. Amerit? What that mean? Oh, yeah, no problem. Oh, this thing here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just close the. I'm gonna just. So I have my feed card is done. I'm gonna just design my this one. Woo, it's really easy. So it's a 3 3. Okay, so just two. So I'm gonna say um, feed small card.js. I'm gonna get all this thing. So the height is 215. I'm gonna just get this color for now. No align self. Border radius of 5. And they have no shadow. Oh my god. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the good size. Yeah. Because this one it's so like this one is gonna be easy because I can just put why Visual Studio is slow. What? I'm gonna just change the hardware because iPhone 7 go really bad with my keyboard. So I think that's gonna be just too much complete for now. Then what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put these two things here, remove that, put these two things with that, put that here. Yeah, like that. It's gonna be easier for me, and it's gonna be much more easier. So okay, so I think I'm gonna keep it the style, and that's gonna be just some math. We have a 215 from the height, so my scroll view is gonna have a height of we don't need padding. We're gonna just say 215. It's gonna be 235 because I want 10 from the top and the bottom. Yeah. One sec. Okay. So I'm gonna say 300. Yeah, maybe 280. Okay. Also, I want to have a margin of top of 10 because I want to be 10 at the bottom of this one recommendation. And what I'm gonna say, it's recommendation. I'm gonna say text. I'm gonna say subtitle. I'm gonna say what was the size? 22. I think I make a typo. Recommendation. Yeah, I take 2M. And I'm gonna say subtitle. I have a margin left of 10. Yeah, but that don't resolve. Yeah, this is too height. Much better. So I'm not alone who want to have that. So finally, if I want to do this, it's not 350. Oh, I know why. Yeah. Hello, hello. Hey, baby. Oh. I think we have what we want here right there. Never use this section list, but I think that can be what we need. So if I see section list, they have a list header component right there at the very beginning of the list. Perfect. So now right there, I can say what? React Native. Je t'aime. Yeah, I can. I just want to get like get item layout. Okay. I know this is messed up, but oh my god, I ate like I was. I like more when React have show here their the model. I just want my first one. Yeah, but that don't help me. This is not what I want. Maybe. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So for the data, what I'm gonna do, undefined is not. Yeah. Oh, flat list view, I want flat list. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry. I get the index as the second element. Yeah. So here I'm gonna have the item in the index. Item's gonna be an object, and my index is gonna be a number. And now what I'm gonna do is, if my index equal the first one, this is what I think, I want to return this thing. And else I'm gonna return my feed card like that. So it's almost working, but it's not working. So it's time to debug. Object index undefined. Oh, so this is only info. So what I got here should be, oh, like that. So now I think what I can do, it's my feed card. 20 is gonna be better, I think. When they show 30. Good. So now I have the feed, I have my recommendation. And now because I'm here, I think my recommendation don't gonna be a scroll view, but it's gonna be a list view who can be horizontal. Yeah. Because the scroll view it's really bad in performance. So what I can do, so I'm gonna say render horizontal. Hello, hello, how are you? And this one for now is gonna just return a field small core like that. Just for now. And so I'm gonna say here is gonna be like that. Or are you Iroshan? Sorry if I don't pronounce your name right. Boom. Kind of. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just set up React navigation. And I'm gonna do inside my source. I'm gonna just Yeah, just for now, just. Okay, so what I'm gonna say, it's I think I can do this here. Na 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 na. Da, 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 da. Just to put some real data, just to help me with the design part. I'm just do 3. After that, I'm stopping there. So I'm going to just copy this thing much than one time. So. And now I'm gonna just remove that for now. And now what I'm gonna do, it's this one can receive item, and I'm gonna say dot item. And what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna go to my feed smart card, because right now that don't do nothing. But now I have only 3 items. But now what I want is I want the card to take the full background. So what I can say is I need the image, and I'm gonna tie my props. So the props I'm gonna receive, and what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna have an image URL is gonna be a type of string. I'm gonna have an ID is gonna be a type of number, and I'm gonna have a title. Who's gonna be equal to a string. After that, I'm gonna say right there, I'm gonna have that as a props, and I'm gonna say image URL. This is what I need for now. So now I'm gonna just put my image. Say I'm gonna have as a source the URL equal to image URL, and I'm not sure if that's gonna work. No. But what I'm gonna say, it's my image. I'm gonna have a flex of 1, width of 0, and a height of 0. It is not, so it's HT. Yeah. So now I have the image. It looks really bad. So I'm gonna say resize mode. I'm gonna say resize mode, contain, cover, center. If I say cover, I think this is already covered by the full. Yeah, and if I say contain, oh shit, this is not what I want. So it's just really bad as the image. But at least for now. Yeah, it's maybe not what I like the most, but so I'm gonna set the title right there. So I need that to have a position of relative because I want to have my position absolute for my title. So I'm gonna put text, who's gonna be equal to the title. I need to import text. Merci. Title gonna come from here. Color of 28. Too much, so I'm gonna say font size of 22. Font family bold. Font weight. HT. Wonder Woman right there. Background color transparent. Okay, I know why. It's because I need to put position absolute. And after that, I'm gonna say top of 10 and left of 10. What happened? Oh, that's why. After that, yeah, but it's not a good idea to wrap this there. Yeah. I think this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna create another view. This one's gonna wrap my text, and this one's gonna have the position absolute. Why I want to do this is because I want to add this some padding because I don't want my text to go further. So I'm gonna take my position absolute. I'm gonna say top 0, left 0, right 0, and bottom 0. So like that, I'm sure you're gonna take everything. Like that. Now I'm gonna say padding. I want 10 padding from everywhere. So now you see it take the place, but now I have some padding here and here. And now what I can say, it's inside my text, I can now add number of line and no more than 1. So if you go too much further, you're gonna add the 3 dot for myself. So now what I want to is I'm gonna have my category reason. My categories should be an array, and this one's gonna be action and adventure. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is here I'm gonna create another view who's gonna be my wrapper for my categories array. Wait, now here I can have a cat and an eye, and now in this thing I can have text where I'm gonna say my cat, but I'm gonna put my key equal to the eye like this. Now if I do this, I get that like this by default. It's like as a column. So now what I can do is just change my view here, say style at categories wrapper. Take this one, go there, and now say flex direction row. If I say that, now you're gonna take left and right. After that, this one, what I can say, margin top of 5, because I want him to take a bit at the bottom here, yeah. After that, I don't want background color. Colors, FFF. But they changed the opacity, I think. 70. For now, I'm gonna put red, not red, but maybe like pink. Just see what happens. Oh yeah, because it's my align item, I want it to be at the center of it. But now what I want to my justify contain is gonna be space. Maybe not space. What I want. I'm gonna do some inline style for that. I'm gonna say, so what I want the adventure to go a bit right to this thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that here with a square bracket to make an array, and I'm gonna say margin left, and I'm gonna say if I is bigger than 0, I'm gonna say so the I is gonna be the index. Action is the first index. I don't want it to take some place from the left, so I'm gonna say the other one. I'm gonna maybe put 5, and the other one's gonna be 0. So now if you see, now I get some space. I think I need to put the image my border radius because it don't looks like I have it, and my wrapper. Yep. 70, it's too late. Yeah, I think it's better. Recommendation feed. Yeah, I think this thing. What I can maybe add, it's like a bit like what YouTube do, like a watch later. So I need to set up vector icon. So vector icon. Do some people are still there? Can you hear me? And now vector icon, you need to install that like that. So yarn add. And you finish that just by running React Native link. And now they ask you to rerun your project, just to plug everything. So now I'm gonna have access to, I think it's like 3,000 icons, and they are all here. And now I can say watch letter. Which icon I can put? Watch letter, this one. Build fail. Nice. Why you fail? Yeah. How was your day? I mean, inside my info, please. Font provide, they are all connect, so this is what I've put, so they should be good. Hello, how are you? Perfect. Thank you to let me know. Welcome to my little stream. What? Perfect. Oh yeah, let's go and crash. They are all there, so it should be good. We'll succeed. Wow. Yeah. Too strong. Watch leader. Clock. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this thing. A bit like what YouTube do. So if you go to YouTube, I think they have changed it. Maybe not watch later, but just yeah. I think yeah. Yeah, you just say clock alert, clock story. Yeah, kind of. I can do like that. Just put a little icon here, little button right there, or I can click and just say watch later. Yeah. So iron icon. Also, I'm gonna install my app and flow touchable library to make use of the button. Like that. My root is relative. Button leader. If I say height of 50 and width of 50, should be able to see it. Where I am. Where is my button? Okay, 5 some z index. Yeah, thank you. Right there. Yeah, the thing is that it's Spider-Man, it's a bit too big. So I think I'm gonna put it at the bottom. Oh. Yeah. And so this is like that, and I don't know, like watch later. Now I'm gonna say true for this one, false for this one, and true for this one. Yeah, I think I can like it, but I don't gonna go with this color, but this one. Yeah. I just think I'm gonna maybe just remove my scroll. I think it's scroll something. I want to remove this scroll thing. If I go inside the scroll view, show scroll indicator. I'm sure this is the thing, and I'm gonna say false. What? Uh, mm, 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 mm. Indicator. Looks like I cannot remove it, so I don't gonna lose time on it for tonight. I can just maybe create an extension on my stuff. I think I'm gonna go with that for the top. And for the feed, okay, so I'm gonna just do this card here. So I'm gonna do this. So I want here yeah, give me some idea. Maybe like I can put the avatar of the user here. Put the title of the movie here. Yeah, just a sleep below. After that, I can maybe have like just a star here with maybe like 5 just for the rating at the bottom. And you finally at the top, I'm gonna just put here a like button if you want to like this. Yeah, we're gonna see what. Just before I finish, I'm gonna just add touchable hit slope. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Oh shit! I just see something. Oh boy. Maybe like I'm gonna need to have a view here. And I need to have that. Yeah. Border radius. It's like the shadow never go with the image too. But I think it's maybe like it more without the. I'm gonna create a wrapper, because this wrapper, what you're gonna do, it's gonna again do like the other one, just get inside to get some padding. So I want a padding of again 10. I think is gonna be good. And what I want here, it's another view, but this one's gonna be an avatar. So just for now, I'm gonna say avatar. Maybe not avatar with a S. Oh yeah, no, yeah, just one avatar who's gonna be a circle of 50, 50, and border radius of 25. And for now, it's gonna have a background color of white. But this thing, gonna have the position relative, and this thing's gonna have position absolute, maybe. No, don't need to do this. So if I do this, no, my wrapper gonna need position absolute. So I'm gonna just take my image from my Twitter, just to put a real avatar here and see how that go. So what I'm gonna do, it's inside this thing, so I'm gonna just say here const fake URL equal this. I'm gonna just put an image between that. And this one's gonna have a source equal to fake URL, like that. So because I don't want to copy myself, I'm gonna do this like that. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do like this. So now I can reuse the style image for the second one. But this one gonna have a border radius equal to 25. Don't know if I like it. I like the top side, but this side, I'm gonna just put the title first. So inside my wrapper, I should have my another view. This one's gonna be the top wrapper. And this one just for now. After that, I'm gonna have a contain wrapper, and this one for now I can maybe just put the text with the title inside. And this one's gonna have a flex of 1. But what happening? Oh, because I need to. Do you think this one don't take the full? Yeah. So I can say adding self stretch. No. I'm gonna just say top 0, bottom 0. left 0 and right 0. So I'm gonna just remove some padding. I'm gonna just add more padding. So I'm gonna say padding vertical. It's gonna be 20. So top and bottom. Horizontal is gonna be 10. Yeah, a bit better, I think so. Wonder Woman. Here I want to just put the action. Oh. I'm gonna keep it like that for now. Yeah, I can maybe do this. I want after 2 that become so if index equal 2. Oh no, I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna start to have too much inside this design. Now on that, I think I'm gonna just set up the swipe and I'm gonna do this like that. I'm gonna just remove the movie here at the top. Keep it like before. What I'm gonna do is, I think, so what I want is to see the action. Like example, you have 3 action. You can say watch later. So your friend can say watch later. I want to watch like a Spider-Man like later. You can say add a critique, so like a review of it, and say critique or finish to listen it, and the third one should be currently watching. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. Currently watching. Oh, hey Dakota, how are you? Hey, OA River, how are you? Oh, no problem. Yeah, you have a lot of project. Oh yeah, yeah. That's why sometimes Apollo it's nice to have when you have a lot of data. Redux you start to have so much reducer and it's just crazy. So I need to put my top wrapper as a flex direction row. And I'm gonna say align item center. Oh shit. So I'm gonna just remove 3 and maybe 2. No. Oh. Okay, just for now, currently watching, I'm gonna say margin left of 10, yeah, 10. I cannot go with the, I need to have my full white here, because if not, I'm not gonna see nothing. And maybe like 20 is gonna be okay. So I can just put maybe the name at the top. Oh, nice. Did they like it? The fact that you create multiple reducer? So oh, nice. Yeah, it's but I'm sure they're gonna learn to love it. I know some people like to have just one reducer, but I mean it's why you don't module this thing. So I think what I'm gonna add, it's a side menu. If I remember, it was pretty good, this thing. Yeah, the thing it's no, I can. I think I'm gonna just go with the tab bar. Yeah, it's gonna be better for my case, I think. Or maybe 3/4 too much. And that worked. What do you think? Do I go with the sidebar or I go with the regular tab bar for the navigation? You think I should go with both or? Because it looks like I'm not sure about. I'm gonna check if I. Yeah. Not sure about this one. I think I'm gonna just set up that, and I think I'm gonna stop after that. I need to go to the gym. It's tab bar icon. I don't know. For now, I'm gonna go there. And for an inactive, I'm gonna say I don't know. I have no color in mind right now. Card. Oh. This is what I want. Oh yeah. I really think I'm gonna go with that. But it's gonna be at the middle. Here, that's gonna be your profile with some of the stuff. So here I should have a setting, I think. iOS setting, Icon. Really? Yeah, like this. But the only thing I want to do before I finish, it's card button. I want him to have like a background color. For now, we're gonna just go with, I don't know, like a yellow, just for now. And I want to just put this thing inside a view. Okay. That's gonna go with the color, but if I see, this is not quite like what I want. Okay, we start now. Yep. But now maybe just a 1. So that means this one I want him to have like 40. 40 is too big. 35 can be good, but I'm gonna need to change to like 60, and this one's gonna be 30. Whoa, 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 whoa. What did I do wrong? Too much here. 60, 60, 30. Oh. Oh my god. So we have a height of 50, so I need to have a margin bottom of 25. But I don't want that to be this. I want that to looks like this. It's too big. Yeah. I mean, I think I'm gonna maybe put that as a 3. Yeah. I think I need to have 30 from the bottom. But the height of this one is too big. Yeah. Because when someone gonna click here, you're gonna go to the swiping right and left card, so you can choose like between searching for a TV show or a movie. So this is for helping you searching a movie like right now. And now here you're gonna see everything about like your profile and stuff, and you click them, and Yeah, your setting. Here's gonna be your feed. And the settings gonna be pretty simple page. Yeah, nothing crazy. I mean, I've started that like 2 hour ago, so it's not crazy, but at least, yeah. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna push to GitHub. So I don't know if some of you want the repo. Gonna push to GitHub. I'm gonna need to create a. I think I have already a repo. I was just not feel. Yep. So if some of you want to see the repo, this is what I've done tonight. So yeah, so I'm maybe gonna stream again like tomorrow. So my plan is like I'm gonna plug with I'm gonna create my own server when I'm gonna create like all my social media kind of action I need and stuff like that. And yeah, I mean it's live coding, so I have nothing set up. I just code and yeah. So I hope you enjoy, and we're gonna talk later. Have a good night, everyone.